Today, I will be discussing about the Module 2, Lesson 2, which is the Teaching with Technology. Before anything else, allow me to introduce myself. I am Jenima Rosales, a second-year BS Ed student. Teaching with technology is a broad topic that includes the use of media tools integrated within learning management system. This presentation includes the explanations why technology is a big factor in the area of education. Technology is the study and transformation of techniques, tools, and machines created by humans. It is the main reason of progress to a certain thing or field. The evolution of technology creates foundation to productivity. Why use technology? We use technology for interactivity. It enables us to interact people either online or offline mode. For content delivery or vision, there were interactions formed in the online world. Ideas and thoughts were publicized. Managing learning and resources. Technology as the source of relevant and various resources in learning. For collaboration, we use technology for collaboration and enhancement of one's ideas and thoughts. There is website like Wikipedia, which enables people to write, post, and collaborate their learnings. Communication. Of course, we use technology for communication. There are instant replies of messages through this. Sense of cohort. Making sense of diverse learning. We use technology not only to sustain our need in information, but also in a sense of being productive with the co-learners. Variety of teaching and learning preferences. Through it, we can dive to different preferences that will satisfy our learning. And lastly, formative and summative assessment. Technology helps to evaluate us. How does this help? It allows students more control of their own learning. Learners have also contributions in the learning and teaching process. Allows lecturers to guide more and teach less. Teachers are the facilitator of learning. They are not only to teach plainly but also to guide us. It allows students to build up knowledge. Technology provides a more interactive learning process. Students are also the contributors to knowledge. Teachers can provide scaffolding and safety nets. Teachers guide students because they are called as facilitators. Can provide some really engaging learning experiences. At risk, students can be identified more quickly. Because of technology, tasks became easier as well as at risk. Collaborating can be very well supported. Technology is also the source of collaboration of words and ideas. Integrating internet-based technology into teaching and learning. Reasons for using technology in education. It provides opportunities for more learner-centered instruction. It permits instruction to be contextualized. It allows students to explore, make mistakes, and learn from their error. Active and interactive modes of instruction. And lastly, it results to naturally in greater collaboration, cooperation, and small group work. Internet-based technologies. Internet-based technologies includes electronic mail or email. Email allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. List servers or discussion boards. Discussion board include discussion forum, message board, and online forum. Video conferencing. It allows people at two or more locations to see and hear each other at the same time. It uses computer and communication technology. Whiteboards. An interactive whiteboard is a tool that allows multiple people to engage in a collaborative experience. And lastly, personal digital assistants. It is a small mobile device that provides computing and information storage capabilities. Adult education teacher success indicators. It increased number of teachers incorporating technology. Increased number of satisfaction level of teachers. Student achievement, discipline referrals, attendance rates, graduation rates, and teacher satisfaction. Increased opportunities for all adult learners to gain experience with computer technologies. Best practices in higher education. Good practice encourages contacts between students and faculty. Develops reciprocity and cooperation among students. It enables good communication collaboration, develops exchanging of ideas that leads to cooperation. Uses active learning techniques. Most people learn better from actively engaging with material than they do from passively listening to a speaker or reading from a textbook. Gives prompt feedback. Feedback means evaluation and assessment. So what is technological teaching? Learning technology is an umbrella term that describes communication, information, and technological tools used to enhance learning, teaching, and assessment. This may involve computer-based learning or multimedia materials used to supplement in-class activities. PowerPoint presentation or students' classroom response systems. Podcasting lectures. The following pictures are the examples. Specific disciplinary application includes designing web-based interactive learning module. This is an important question, especially in the area of education. Why we need technology? We need technology because it ushers fundamental structural changes. Technology is the cause of progress and development. We need technology because it is used to support both teaching and learning. It is evident today how technology plays a big role in the teaching and learning process. Technology infuses. Technology infuses classrooms with digital learning tools. These are computers and handheld devices. Expands course offerings, experiences, and learning materials. Blended learning includes both face-to-face opportunities and online learning opportunities. Blended learning in the classroom combines classroom learning with online learning, in which students can, in part, control the time, pace, and place of their learning. Blended learning have two types. First, synchronous learning. It refers to online learning like online discussions. The second one is asynchronous learning. Learning that doesn't necessarily happen at the same time for the instructor and the learners. Technology influences learning. Enhanced teaching and learning practices in the classroom is becoming a commonplace. Students constantly interact with technologies. Technologies will also support their learning in the classroom. Technology as the support system of the learning process. Technology facilitates only. Technology facilitates in learning, such as social process, facilitates in requiring communication among learner, teachers, and others. Aside from teachers, technology is also a facilitator. Learner-centered teaching is an approach to teaching that focuses on the learners and their development rather than on the transmission of content. Learner-centered teaching includes learner in decisions about curriculum, instruction, and assessment. Treats the learners as co-creators in the teaching process. Acknowledges, respects, and accommodates differences in background, abilities, styles, and experiences. PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. The software allows users to create anything from basic slideshows to complex presentations. PowerPoint is often used to create business presentations, but can also be used for educational or informal purposes. The following are the tips in making a PowerPoint presentation. First, be simple or simplify difficult material. Use it as a supplement, not the entire presentation. And focus on learning, not technology. More important PowerPoint tips. Basic rules of usage. First, humans see graphics first, then text. Keep information in logical flow. 6 points or less per slide per page. Next, you should use large type consistently, minimum of 24 points. And employ other media or board overheads if possible to support your presentation. Why integrate technology? We integrate technology because it revolutionizes the learning process. More studies show that technology integration in the classroom improves students' learning processes and outcomes. The 3 I's or implement, integrate, and infuse include seamless technology, participate in technology-based instruction, storyboard of lesson plan, scaffolding or guidance from the teacher, and templates, how-to, step-by-step, or procedures. Infused resources includes funding, software, equipment, people, training, supplies, and students. Allow flexibility and role shift. The top 10 integration tips are the following. First, you should start with a lesson you are very familiar with and have taught before. Focus on the learning objective. Make it interactive and fun. Problem-based activities will engage and make relevant for students. Do it yourself first. See one, do one, and teach one. You should build relationships among your students. Talk about copyright often. Know the standards, state, National Educational Technology Standards or NETS, and Information Literacy Standards. Revise teaching style to accommodate technology or adaptation. Use peer observations and online video demonstrations as often as possible to learn more. Lastly, you should tap into your students' creativity. Last, the 4 key areas in technological teaching will be the division of integrating technology in learning and in teaching. The following key areas are: increase the learner motivation. It motivated learners to aim interest. Advanced topics mastered. Students acting as experts. Students as a contributor in the learning process. And lastly, better outcomes on standardized tests. The learning methods are changing. The question is, are we ready?